Well, new at 6 tonight, it is the season of sickness, and the inland Northwest is under the weather. If it's not the flu, it's something else. And if you haven't had it yet, you probably know someone who does. KXLY4's Caroline Rourke working for you tonight with a look at what is making Spokane sick. Caroline?
Nadine, we are feeling the impacts of the sick season right here among our ranks at KXLY, and we know that you are too. When we posted this on Facebook this morning, so many of you came back and told us about the illnesses you've been fighting for these last few months.
If it's the flu that's keeping you or your family down, you're not alone.
Last year was a pretty light year for the flu, and I think that kind of lulled us a little, and this year is a more typical one, but yeah, there are a lot of folks with the flu this year.
But the annual bug isn't the only thing keeping you at home this season. Influenza does have respiratory symptoms, but you also told us about coughs that you just can't seem to shake, sinus infections, bronchitis, even pneumonia.
If you have any underlying asthma, bronchitis, that kind of thing, and you get cold or flu, it can make that worse.
Your comments about your experiences match data from the Spokane Regional Health District. In addition to the flu, Spokane is also seeing more cases of a number of viruses. These aren't household names, but all you really need to know is that they can cause those all too familiar coughs and colds, which are pretty common for this time of year. So if you're sick, when do you need to go to urgent care or the hospital?
Always better to communicate with your primary care physician and get good direction from them first, rather than seeking direct care at urgent care or the hospital.
If it's an emergency, then seek immediate medical attention. As for preventing the flu, you know the drill. Wash your hands, cover when you sneeze or cough, and stay home if you're sick. Both Dr. Martz and the Spokane Regional Health District emphasize the importance of flu vaccines.
To give you a sense of just how busy some of our local healthcare facilities are, at Providence Sacred Heart Medical Center, visitor restrictions have actually been imposed to keep people from catching a bug from folks who are already there. We also reached out to Multicare Health System as well today. Their urgent care doctors didn't actually have the time to speak with us today because they were so busy treating flu patients. In studio, Caroline Rourke, KXLY4 News.
I know it well. Thanks a lot, Caroline.